In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Microsoft Copilot. Many users have found Copilot to be a useful tool for enhancing productivity by providing quick suggestions and insights right from your taskbar. However, you might find the interface distracting or simply prefer not having it on your screen all the time. Whatever your reason, turning off Microsoft Copilot is a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure you have full control over your taskbar experience. First, let's locate the taskbar area where we will begin this process. Take your cursor and hover over any empty space on your taskbar. The taskbar is generally located at the bottom of your screen, and this space is the strip running across the screen that holds your open applications and pinned software icons. Simply right-click on this empty space. You'll see a menu pop up with a variety of options. In this menu, you're going to select Taskbar Settings. This selection directs you to a dedicated window where you can customize everything about your taskbar behavior and appearance to suit your preferences. Once you're in the taskbar settings, we'll need to scroll down a bit to find the options specific to Microsoft Copilot. As you scroll, look carefully for a section that mentions Copilot. In this area, you'll find a toggle switch. This is set to on by default to enable Copilot and ensure it's ready to assist you with quick suggestions and automated assistance. To turn off Copilot, simply click on this toggle switch. When you toggle it from on to off, you'll immediately notice that the change happens without needing a restart or any further confirmation. It's designed this way for ease of use so you don't have to go through multiple confirmation screens. Once you've toggled it off, take a moment to glance back at your taskbar. The Copilot icon and its corresponding functionalities will have disappeared from view. This indicates that you've successfully turned off Microsoft Copilot. You should now be free of any distractions it may have caused, and your workflow will remain uninterrupted by its prompts or notifications. And there you have it. You've now learned how to easily and efficiently turn off Microsoft Copilot. Remember, this is a reversible action. If you decide you would like to enable Copilot again at any point, simply follow these steps in reverse. Right-click the taskbar, enter taskbar settings, scroll to the Copilot section, and toggle it back on. This ensures you can customize your user experience to align with your needs at any given time. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful and easy to follow. If you have any more questions or need additional assistance with other settings, feel free to reach out or check out our other tutorials. Happy customizing!